Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Artec Infosys. Here we are talking about our modules, our working in Artec Infosys. The first module is website development. We develop all kind of websites in Artec Infosys. Either it's advertisement, e-commerce, membership, audio video player, personal websites, and all what is the requirement of the client. In Artec Infosys, as many pages you require, from contact us, about us, homepage, to the number of pages you require for your websites, we develop. Make your business brand with us. Make your identity on Google, a very own place of yours. Another module is international level certification in various courses. We have 500 plus courses in which we provide international level certification. Skill yourself with these courses, which are very beneficial for you to enhance your career. To find a proper job with adequate skills and knowledge, you need a certification, which we're gonna provide you through these courses. Artec Infosys is one place for all your digital needs. Skill yourself with our courses. Have a glance at the list of courses. Courses in computer application, diploma in computer programming, application management, GST, engineering diploma, and many other courses. We'll provide you with the list which you can choose for your development and your growth in career and economically also. Various diploma and post-graduation diploma courses are available with us. You can register now with us for the courses or online certification which is internationally proven. You'll have a link of registration in the description, our email, our contact number and website. So the third module of Artec Infosys digital marketing, we have various plans according to the payment which you can afford easily. Digital marketing is the trend of today. No one is now into earlier kind of marketing. Digital marketing provides you a business brand. Grow your business with digital marketing. You must try various plans by Artec Infosys in digital marketing. We also provide a course in digital marketing such as SMM, social media marketing, which is the trend of today. This is the one place to enhance your skills in whatever course you like and earn a lot with these skilled courses. Our present scenario of digital marketing is to promote and create brand awareness using internet, either by website, social media, mobile apps, email and inbound. The third module of Artec Infosys is digital marketing. We'll make a video on it again to give you more info about it. And the fourth module is technical training. We provide training with certification in various languages like C, C++, Java, web designing, CMS, project development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Android, digital marketing and much more. You can register now at 8437629825. We provide an online classroom of technical training, whichever language in IT you are willing to choose. Either you go for the field of .NET or Java or web designing or CMS. We provide online training plus certification. And the fifth module is IT consultancy. Sixth one is HR recruitment, and seventh one is LIC and policy. You can contact us for IT consultancy, choosing your language, and for HR recruitment, you can send us your resume at artechinfosys1@gmail.com. We are connected to 500 plus companies in Pan India. It's a mass recruitment. You just send us your resume and specification like job preference, location preference, profile which you choose, what are your basic skills, your scores and percentage marks and degrees and your matriculation, so that we can help you find the suitable job for you in Pan India. Our contact address is 8437629825. Anyone who is presently working in some job or looking for a job can apply and get a chance to improve. This is a mass recruitment, so all of you can try and send us your resume. Artec Infosys is one place for all your digital needs, and the last module is policies to secure life and create savings, and having any health issues which can be sorted by the facilities providing by the company. You can choose various plans with us and contact us for the same, for choosing these plans. It is very good way of savings and investment, so that you invest less and get more savings. Our company also deals in it, and hence you can send your details and get to know more about it. We have a variety of plans for the same. Our contact address is email artechinfosys1@gmail.com, WhatsApp 8437629825, and website erubinacor.com. We also have many job openings, so you can contact us for the same. Choose Artec Infosys as your digital partner.